We also took into account activity types while selecting our top picks, ensuring some weren't too heavy or cumbersome to move, especially if your mode of transport isn't a car or truck. It's an important factor since it could render your camping stove incompatible with your activity. Carrying a large fuel tank isn't ideal for backpackers, but shouldn't be a problem for that car or RV camping. Another great benefit of using an RV is that you can easily carry the best camping gear. There are many products available to choose from best camping stove, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best camping stove from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Coleman Gas Camping Stove. When it comes to camping, Coleman is one of the heritage brands that you can trust. We're nominating their 2-burner gas camping stove as our top pick because we think it's the best camping stove for campgrounds. This propane-powered stove reaches up to 20,000 total BTUs in power, making it a powerful option for the camper who needs to cook multiple items at once. We like that you get up to 1 hour of runtime on the highest burner setting with one 16.4-ounce propane cylinder. And since this camping stove uses propane, that means you can use it in colder weather and at higher altitudes. This 2-burner stove also has a pressure regulator with pressure control technology to give it consistent performance. We like that this tabletop stove features adjustable burners which are perfect for more serious campsite cooks. Plus the wind blocking panels ensure that strong gusts won't blow out your flames. Don't forget to pack the best rooftop tents. Number 2. Jetboil Flash Camping Stove Cooking System. Frequent backpackers know that space is at a premium, and more importantly that you need a reliable backpacking stove if you're going to attempt to do any kind of cooking or boiling while on the trail. The Jetboil stove is the best camping stove for backpacking trips because of its intuitive and easy-to-use design. The Jetboil Flash Camping Stove Cooking System is also our best quality recommendation for the same reasons. One of the biggest bonuses of this stove is that it has a push-button igniter to quickly start a flame. And it also works seamlessly with Jetboil's campfire cooking accessories. The fuel canister stabilizer helps to minimize the risk of fires by preventing your stove from tipping over. The lid cover also works as a measuring cup and can even become a bowl. And most importantly, the thermochromic color changing heat indicator on the included cooking cup lets you know when your water is boiling. Number 3. Tumshu Camping Stove. Some people don't want to deal with bringing fuel with them. If this sounds about right, you like the Tumshu Camping Stove. It's the only option in our guide that doesn't require buying fuel before you use it. And because of this, it's a great option if you're on 2 wheels. You can use twigs, leaves, or pine cones as a fuel source. However, if you prefer, this stove also works with solidified alcohol. We think this is the best camping stove grill combo because it's also the only one that can natively be used for either pots and pans or grilling and barbecuing. For safety, we like that this stove has a sturdy base with a bottom vent to prevent tipping. Meanwhile, the pot supporter attachment shields the flames from the wind. You'll appreciate that this stove weighs less than a pound. All the pieces for this stove can be nested and stored in the included carrying tote. If you're looking for the best stargazing experience, try taking along the best refracting telescope too. Number 4. Itexity Ultralight Portable Backpacking Camping Stove. If you're trying to travel as lightly as possible because you're backpacking your way between campsites, then a traditional camping stove isn't going to be an option for you. We think that the Itexity Ultralight Portable Backpacking Camping Stove is the perfect solution if you want the option of a hot meal without the added weight of a traditional stove. It's the best portable stove and the best camping stove because each of the stoves in this 2-pack weighs no more than 3.2 ounces and still has good performance. More importantly, you like that these backpacking stoves each come with a piezo ignition so that you never have to struggle to start a fire. However, we did note that for a backpacking stove, this has a slower boil rate of roughly 5 minutes. But you'll appreciate the serrated forearm design that ensures better stability for your pots and pans. The portability of this stove makes it a great option. Number 5. Bisgear 12PC Camping Cookware Backpacking Stove. If you're the type who needs every meal to be satisfying, you might be in the market for a more comprehensive camping stove setup. And that means that beyond a basic stove, you want the accessories so you can create a tasty meal, no matter where you make camp. We're nominating the Bisgear 12PC Camping Cookware Backpacking Stove as the best cooking kit in our guide. In addition to a backpacking camping stove, you also get a full cookware set and a single set of cutlery. You like that this kit includes 2 pots, a set of cutlery, knife, spoon, and fork, a 16-ounce cup that comes with an insulating sleeve, a wine opener, and a fuel canister stabilizer for your fuel canister. The piezo ignition on the stove makes starting your stove fire easy, while the 4 pot arms provide a stable surface for pots and pans. Plus the non-stick pots are heat resistant with anti-slip collapsible handles. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.